Welcome to Mart YouTube channel.
The 3 best DSLRs in 2022. The best DSLRs still stack up really well against the latest mirrorless cameras, especially if you value old school handling. Over the latest gadgets, mirrorless cameras may be all the rage now, but DSLR designs still offer strong, chunky build value for money and a range of lenses that mirrorless cameras have yet to match. We've tested every DSLR on the market and these are our favorites right now. The best DSLRs are not that far behind their mirrorless counterparts. Even today, many DSLRs include modern mirrorless features, such as 4K video on sensor phase detect, autofocus, and effective live view modes. We have an article on DSLRs versus mirrorless cameras that spells out all the technical and practical differences, and while mirrorless cameras. DSLRs are an affordable way of making the jump from a camera phone or a point-and-shoot compact camera. Another big advantage of investing in a DSLR over a mirrorless camera is that you've got years' worth of lenses to choose from. For more on this, check out our guide to the best camera lenses to buy. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D. There are irritations and limitations with any camera, and we can pick out a few with the EOS 90D. But this camera's capabilities are so impressive and so all-encompassing that you can't expect miracles. Like a bigger buffer capacity, we'd like twin card slots, we'd like lots of things, but this camera already does so much. The Canon EOS 90D's 32.5 megapixel sensor has the highest resolution of any APS-C camera you can buy. That bald fact is likely to dominate any stories about Canon's new DSLR, but could actually. More pixels don't always mean better image quality, and we'll have more to say about this shortly, but thankfully, the EOS 90D had plenty more to shout about. It's enough to make this not just one of the best Canon cameras. This is Canon's first camera to follow a new and exciting development in digital cameras, combining high resolution with high frame. Not only does the EOS 90D beat any APS-C Canon before it for megapixels, it can do this at 10 frames per second. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7 IV. Prepare to be inspired. The Alpha 7 IV's true-to-life resolution and remarkable AI-powered autofocus complement a range of world-class features at the cutting edge of imaging technology, delivering outstanding performance and excellent image quality in both stills and movies. The Alpha 7 IV's new 33.0 megapixel 1x mirror trademark CMOS image sensor provides high-speed readout, high-sensitivity, low noise, highly accurate color reproduction. The Alpha 7 IV uses the latest image processor to offer greatly enhanced performance, with improved image quality and color reproduction. Fast processing speeds facilitate comfortable continuous shooting, while performing data transfers. The new 33MP1 image sensor and processing engine raise the bar for image quality. In addition to boasting a larger pixel count and higher resolution than the Alpha 7 III, the Alpha 7 IV and its powerful XMR sensor represent a significant evolution of Sony's original image technology. Number 1. Nikon D3500W/AFP. The D3500 is fast, responsive, and simple to use. You won't be stuck fussing with camera controls while a great moment passes you by. Just point, shoot, and share amazing photo after photo. If you can take a picture with your smartphone, you can take a great picture with the D3500. Auto mode delivers amazing results in nearly any situation. If you want to learn while you shoot, the D3500 simply feels great in your hands. It's lightweight and balanced, even with a telephoto lens attached. Each button and dial is carefully placed for comfort and ease of use, and the menu system is simple and intuitive. The image sensor in the D3500 is approximately 15 times larger than those used in typical smartphones. That means much sharper, clearer photos with richer details, photos that immediately grab attention and get likes. Inside every DSLR is a specialized computer that fine-tunes the settings for each shot. Nikon's renowned XP image processing system. For more details, follow the links given in the description. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like in the videos.